Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to edit any PDF file. So let's take a look how to do that. In my desktop here you can see here is a PDF document and I would like to edit this PDF document. How you can do this? It's really easy and simple. I am going to share with you by step how you can edit this PDF document. First of all, you open your Microsoft Word. So I'm going to open my Microsoft Word and then simply drag this PDF document in over here. Or you can do, if you click OK, it will open here. Or you can just simply choose a blank document and then here you can click on file and then you can choose click on this browse section and then you can browse where the file is located. Simply select this and click on open and here you will get a warning message. Simply click on OK and it will appear on your Microsoft Word document, that PDF file. And here whatever you would like to edit, you can simply edit here and then simply you can save it. Simply go on file and then click on save as and then select the location where you would like to save and give a name, and here save as type you can set is PDF. So it's much better for you to that file after you want maybe PDF. So simply you can choose PDF and then simply click on save and here you go. You can see that just now I was edited that file and it is now converted edited and after that it's now in PDF. So this is how you can edit any PDF file. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.